Hello, I just wanted to introduce you to your My Math Lab course and things that we could do inside it. When you come in to the class, you will find your course homepage, and this is my view. So your view will include a calendar along with announcements, which you are responsible for, and it will also talk about your grade. So it's a good place to get like really quick information. When you first start the class, you've obviously already been to start here because you're watching the video. So you know the pertinent information that it will have there about your exams and expectations. For assignments, you can come up here and click on homework or quizzes and tests. For the homework, you can start it and then come back and finish it anytime. But when taking an exam, you will have to finish it when you start it. Otherwise, it will just go as partially finished. So if you miss an exam, I do not give makeups, but your homework, you'll get 2% taken off each day it's late. And then we will also have discussion forums. These are required, so make sure that you read the requirements. And so when we look at these discussions, we will look at seeing the benefit of calculus. The document sharing folder, because your Blackboard course has all of my Word lectures and my video lectures, it's pretty sparse, but it does have a copy of the course plans and any handouts that I might seem fit, but you'll also see those in your Blackboard course. And then you have the study plan. So the study plan does not impact your grade, but it is a place for you to be able to practice problems, like before a test, where it won't hurt your homework. So you just click on the chapter, the section, and the concept that you want to work on, and it will load some problems for you, and then you can practice without having any stipulations about what that does to your grade. And then here's your e-text along with chapter contents. You might find some things in the Multimedia Library very helpful, especially if you're looking for like more videos. So if you're struggling with a section, you can ask it to select all or just give you the videos. The videos here are from the publisher. My videos are in our Blackboard course. So I hope you find that My Math Lab is helpful for you as you progress through the course.